This Cybertruck was used to pull an SUV out of a 20-foot ditch. The SUV was stuck in 20-foot snowy embankment on a rural road, completing the pull in under 40 seconds without visible strain. The truck's 11,000-pound towing capacity in real-world winter rescue is remarkable. The Cybertruck slowly starts moving under power. You can see the tow strap go from slack to tight very quickly. The Cybertruck does not appear to be using full throttle. It's a controlled, steady pull rather than a violent yank. The angle is quite steep, but momentum and the Cybertruck's torque carry it through without any obvious wheel spin or struggle from the truck. The pull takes roughly 25 to 30 seconds of actual towing motion. The SUV reaches the top of the embankment and rolls fully onto the flat road surface.